Right now, something crazy is happening on social media. People who don't even exist are building real audiences, getting millions of views, and landing actual brand deals. No camera, no filming, not even a real person, just AI. Hi, I'm Nelly. AI influencers are blowing up right now, and I'm talking about creators who are hosting product launches, becoming brand ambassadors, and building full personalities, and even running storytelling channels. They're racking up likes and comments like crazy. So there's no better time to create your own AI influencer with Picsart Persona. This might be one of the biggest opportunities right now. Let's talk about 5 different niches where AI influencers are growing and how you can use Picsart Persona to start your own. With Picsart Persona, it's as easy as selecting a style, choosing a few physical features, and adding final touches. Let's start with one of the biggest niches, fashion. One of the most well-known examples is the AI influencer Lil Miquela, who first appeared in 2016. She generates millions in annual revenue through partnerships with luxury brands like Prada, Calvin Klein, and Samsung. Some reports estimate she earns around $10 million per year. You can start your own fashion AI influencer with Picsart Persona, and who knows, maybe Prada will reach out to you too. Next, something completely different, AI pet influencers. Take Dyson, for example. They launched an AI-driven April Fool's campaign featuring a fake pet grooming line. It generated 50 million views and 80,000 likes. Why? Because people love pets. There is no shortage of pet lovers, so now is the perfect time to create the cutest furry friend with Picsart Persona. If you enjoy explaining things, storytelling, or just sharing knowledge, you can build an entire educational brand around it. You've probably seen a video from Kurzgesagt. With over 25 million subscribers, the channel creates animated videos about everything from astronomy and history to philosophy. If there's something you want to teach or a topic you're passionate about, Picsart Persona can help you develop a signature character style. You can become the host of your own educational content and even run a faceless YouTube channel. This niche is exploding. With the growing popularity of gaming, AI-driven fantasy, and sci-fi content is becoming more common in mainstream media and marketing. For example, Louis Vuitton featured a Final Fantasy character in one of its campaigns. There are also creators using faceless AI characters who are building massive audiences and generating significant revenue from gaming content. With Picsart Persona, you can create your own fantasy or sci-fi character and make it the face of your storytelling. Just like Lil Miquela, AI influencers aren't just spreading in ads. They're also interacting directly with users. AI influencer Kenza Laley collaborated with Hyundai to launch the Kona line of vehicles using a localized chatbot experience. This campaign led to Hyundai's most successful influencer launch, with over 2,000 simultaneous chatbot interactions in 8 languages and 20 times return on investment. Picsart's Persona wide range of styles and characters can help you create the perfect fit. To learn about how to create your own persona, make sure to watch this video. Don't overthink it. Start simple. Create a character you actually like. Pick a niche that interests you. List topics you can talk about and start posting. You don't need to have everything figured out. You just need to start. I'm Nelly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you around.